display a different background image or video post-registration, follow these steps. Firstly, open the experience. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on Advanced Settings. Select the checkbox Change Background Image after registration. Click Save. Go back to the initial screen. To have a different video post-registration, access the Register tab. I will choose the video that should be showcased once the user completes the registration process. In this case, I will select the first video. In the unregistered state, the user will view this video, whereas in the registered state, the user will observe a different video. Click Save. This is your experience. You can view the first video right here. Upon registering, when I click on Activate with Email, the registration process is finalized. You'll observe that the background video has changed after registration.